Guys, back again, another day, another vibe. This time we've got a close-up shot of a snail. Let's see what it's trying to do right now. I've got my kitty right here. She wants some attention. I've got my doggo right over there. She also wants some attention. But we're gonna stay focused on this snail right here. The doggo is calling me. Kitty wants some pets. But no, you ain't gonna get none tonight. Not today, Brad, not today. Not today, Brad. Not today. No. No. Yeah. She's interested in the kitty. Yep, they've got that thing going on right here. Anyways, what's wrong? Shut up. You really don't like the kitty. The kitty's trying to go inside. And the doggo's like, you never let me inside. Why is nobody monitoring the kitty? Nobody's gonna let you out, Galaxy. You're gonna stay inside. Stay quiet. Let us focus on this guy. Seems to be eating. Really don't like this stuff right now. Nobody's gonna let you outside. It's better you stay quiet right now. Yeah, goodbye, kitty. Finally, we see some movement. Finally, bruh. We're going somewhere. Yes. Oh no. Snail don't like the ants, does it? Stay quiet. You want to observe the natural behavior of the snail. Observe how it monitors its surroundings with the help of two antennas in front of its face, which are actually two eyes. These are the snail's eyes. Yep. These are eyes, bruh. Observe how the snail moves at a snail's pace, trying to figure out its surroundings. It's definitely trying to get somewhere. We have no idea where it's trying to go right now. Let me just take a close-up of its eyes. Hope you guys can see. Do you see this? These are the snail's eyes. Yep, these are the eyes of the snail. It's got two more protrusions right here. They're probably some kind of sensors. Observe how the snail moves forward at snail's pace. It was actually, in the beginning, it was over here. And in just 3 to 4 minutes time, it has covered a distance of an entire hand. So this is not a slow snail, mind you. This is a fast acting snail, guys. Look at how persistent it is. It keeps moving forward. It doesn't let anything stand in its way. Let's try to create an obstacle. There we go. Let's see how the snail reacts to this tiny little twig that we've just placed in its way. All right, we see a reaction. All right, the snail is going over it. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. All right. No, dudes, I was wrong. This snail has no plans of stopping anytime soon. Yep. Go on, little snaily, go on. You want to see how far you can get tonight. And it's so committed, guys. Check it out. These tiny little eyes. I'm pretty sure it can see me, but it's ignoring me. It's like, who the hell is this guy? It doesn't even matter. He's like, I need to get somewhere, and I'm gonna get there no matter what. You can hear bangs in the background, but the snail is like, don't give a crap. So, if you guys can see over here, it was originally right here. It has covered all this distance, and it's just carrying on. I don't know where it's trying to go. I mean, there's nothing considerable ahead, but you know, can't stop it, can't ask it what its deal is. Let's just keep monitoring it and see what the deal is right now.